bend in the road coming on up here. So what do we want to do? We're in third, going 57. It's probably a little fast for this, right? Especially since we see traffic up there. We're going to downshift, roll on the throttle, slow, slow, slow. Apply the rear brake, front brake, clutch, and we're coming to a full and complete stop. Sometimes that'll happen. And then from there, just gear back down. Okay? That's okay. That happens. And that's why we brake very calmly and smoothly. You see, it was a nice controlled stop. We started with the rear brake just to get the bike slowing, let engine braking do its thing, right? And then we come in with the front brake later on because we don't need to hard stop early.